family, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a video on we're going to be sightseeing our house, and it's a new build, and also we've got this house of plots. So join me as I show you around. We'll be meeting with the site manager today. All right. Guys, so we're just waiting for an appointment to meet the site manager. So I'll be look at what stage of the what stage the building is at the moment. Right, so make sure you enjoy this video with me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? This is time for you to tap that subscribe button and also join me on this journey. I'll be taking you along in everything. Sure. Okay. Okay, so we're ready to go and check the site. My car, because I'll be going on site. We're going to check what the site looks like. This keeps falling off. I don't know why is it falling off. So we are moving closer to the site now, and there are lots of construction work going on. So crossing the site now to see. So we're here with the site managers and engineers. They're trying to take us to our building, and you can see there are lots of constructions going on at the moment, and there are some that are already completed. And so this is an example of the outside work. I love the views of construction vehicles, seeing the excavators, and what's this one coming? You see it's excavator too. I just love seeing construction vehicles. It's so lovely to build. Okay guys, so we are on site now. Location.
Wander around there and have a look in your backyard. Yeah, we'll just go, unless you want to. Well, let's walk around.
Okay, can walk around. It's supposed to be cool. Wow.
Yeah.
That's good. means to the school. That's the school.
Just watch your feet.
Okay.
I'm not sure how big your garden is, whether that'll come right out to that fence line or
Okay.
not.
Yeah, that would be a good one. But I like it. Oh, it's gonna be.
Yeah, I think so. Is it? That's a phone.
Double door. The back is a double door. There's a double door there. In the parking space. It's really close to this house. So this is how to check when you want to check on the side. You check the floor.
The corner of it, yeah. Yeah.
It's quite long.
So from the edge of that house, you see
From
the
the edge
house?
of that house.
Yeah, coming out this way.
Oh, that's this way.
It's about here, so from where I'm standing, so this whole, so it's fair size. So it's a fair, and when you get
So
the
just the
fence
side.
up,
When
it's a little bit
scaffold gonna be
narrow.
down, it's going to be massive.
Okay.
Right
Oh,
now it
yeah,
looks a
because
little bit small,
yeah,
but-
that's the end of that. Then it's going to come this way, right?
Yes, yeah, so where I'm standing here, straight
To that
across.
side.
Yeah. So it'll be fairly sizable to be fair.
Yeah, not too bad. Kind of
It looks smaller because you've got the scaffold halfway in your garden.
on there. Okay. Alright. So,
Yeah.
indeed, really so good. Okay. So,
So do you have any questions about your house?
Yeah, so, I'm just looking at this. It looks a little bit funky because it's like the water is like just like that.
If it is water, we put a land drain in it so the water will drain away a bit easier. So it does get, because obviously it's now winter time, and it is a clayey soil, so it will hold the water up a little bit. But when you do get grass on it, the grass will help it go through because the roots will take up the water.
Okay, so it's not going to be having a water on it.
No, this will get graded out
It's gonna get
nicely.
graded out,
Yeah.
okay.
And then
But-
once you have it turfed, and
yeah,
you get it
it's going to be a tough one.
Yeah.
Okay.
that will be nice. You wouldn't get too much.
All right. So I think another question to ask, but
Yeah.
yeah, I think for now I'm still happy with the progress. What's this? Is this a building for something else?
That'll
That's
be
the
garage. Garage, I'll take it.
Oh, this is going to add
Yeah.
garage.
And this one won't, so that's it's just to this house here.
Garage. Okay. So that's the back and the garage. Okay.
Yeah, so their fence will come across.
Do you have any question?
It's a house, it's got
Alright,
tiles.
guys.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this site visiting. It was so interesting. Like, I really enjoyed it. It's like quite different from the nursing work I used to do. I think working on sites is another thing I would love to explore later on. Okay, I'll be seeing you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.
Thank you.